There's a chill in the air at Sony these days, one that has nothing to do with the falling leaves outside their Tokyo headquarters. Beneath the glossy ads, the endless stream of sponsored posts, and those perfectly curated unboxings from influencers, something feels off, like a favorite old film reel starting to snag and skip. Sony, the undisputed king of mirrorless cameras, the brand that rewrote the rules of photography over the past 10 years, has slipped out an under-the-radar firmware tweak for a machine that hasn't even hit shelves yet, the Sony A7V. And lurking in the fine print of that update, in the regulatory docs and the hush chats from folks in know, is a revelation that could flip your entire game plan before you drop cash on your next dream rig. What do you make of this shadowy vibe from Sony? Hit the comments and spill your thoughts. Have you spotted any red flags lately? These whispers turned into a roar just a few days back, sparking debates from Reddit threads to pro forums, and eerie quiet from Sony's side. It's like they're holding their breath, waiting for the storm to pass. Trusted voices in the industry are dropping hints that the A7V, some dubbing it the A75 and early buzz, isn't the game changer we all daydreamed about during those long nights scrolling spec sheets. It's falling short of the hype, the vision we clung to like a well-worn lens cap, tucked away in those routine certification papers, the kind every gadget has to file before seeing daylight, are these subtle clues painting a picture that's anything but pretty. They're not breadcrumbs of bold invention. They're signs of scramble, a frantic push to counter the rising tide from rivals. Picture Sony in a war room, charts flipped sideways, engineers burning the midnight oil. Not to dream big, but to catch up. This feels like the most chaotic debut in the Alpha family's storied lineup, a rollout laced with tension that has insiders swapping stories of emergency huddles and a narrative spiraling out of control. If you're like me, stashing away paychecks, eyeing that upgrade path with laser focus, whispering to yourself, hold out for the A7V, it'll be worth it, then pump the brakes. Take a moment, scroll back through these leaks, and really absorb the shift happening here. This isn't some idle rumor about ISO bumps or buffer depths. It's a peek behind the curtain at a brand we held up as our North Star, now plotting a survival play in the mirrorless arena. It kicks off, as these tales often do, in the mundane grind of bureaucracy, those stacks of compliance forms cluttering global databases, the unglamorous gatekeepers to any new tech launch. There, amid the alphabet soup of specs and codes, popped a familiar string, the unmistakable ID for the A7V, a nod to eagle-eyed trackers who mapped every Sony drop like astronomers charting stars. But the real gut punch? Not the camera's existence. We saw that curveball coming. It's the frenzy of the clock. Canon's EOS R6 Mark III, that beast everyone's calling the Sony Slayer, is set to drop its bombshell reveal on November 6th. And boom! Within a heartbeat, not a lazy month, Sony's filings start zipping through approvals like they're late for a flight. No happenstance here, no clockwork routine. Experts are spinning it as a tactical realignment, but come on, it's a Hail Mary hustle, a bid to snatch the thunder just as Black Friday lights flicker on, leaving shoppers second-guessing in the aisles. When a powerhouse like Sony, so dialed-in precision, and that quiet swagger, veers off-script this hard, you know the stakes are sky-high. And those filings, they spill the tea on the why. One tucked-away line in the docs flips the script entirely, dashing the fairy tale we built around this camera. We imagine the A7V as our holy grail, a seamless fusion of pro-level video wizardry and stills that steal breaths, all wrapped in a body that hums with fresh fire. But the numbers leaking out? They whisper a safer bet, a step sideways rather than a vault ahead. Word is, it'll pack a 33-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, solid on the surface, right? Until you clock, it's basically the A7IV's heart with light polish. No ground-up reinvention. No seismic jump. Sony's spinning it as a partially stacked setup, promising a 20% readout zip, tamed rolling shutter, 14 stops of dynamic range, and dual base ISO stretching to 106,400 for those shadowy scenes that use to trip us up. It's a tidy glow-up, no doubt, versatile enough to handle whatever curveball the day throws. Except we didn't line up for tidy. We crave the spark, the stuff that redlines the genre. Whereas a full global shutter we glimpsed in the A9 III's Elite Glow. They nailed it there, why bench it now? And don't get me started on the pixel drought. No 40 50 or 60 megapixel feast for those epic landscapes or Studio Epics pros have been chanting for. One source, eyes on a finished build, nailed it cold. Safe, but it lacks that spark. Yeah, that land's heavy. It's the echo of so many of us staring at a menu wondering, is this the peak? Sony's gaze feels rear view now, not trailblazing, glancing nervously at Canon's charge, content to shadow rather than surge. That said, Sony's got one ace they can't fumble: autofocus, the secret sauce that's kept us hooked. The A7V doubles down, pulling smart straight from the A9 III $6,000 playbook. AI that locks onto humans, beasts, birds, wheels, even bugs with a hunter's unerring eye. Burst mode? Think 20 to 24 frames per second, blackout free through the EVF. A dream for chasing wildlife or sports in the blur. It's a kind of tech that turns maybe into money shot every time. But here's the rub, and you felt it coming. It trails Canon's whispered 40 frames per second on the R6 Mark III. To a casual snapper, 6 frames might shrug off as noise, but in the Pressure Cooker Pro gigs, where a wing beat or wheel spin hangs on a hair's breadth, those extras are gold. Sony's insiders murmured this shortfall lit the fuse, speeding the A7V to the stage like a smokescreen, hungry for buzz before Canon's juggernaut eclipses it entirely. A classic diversion, keeping our eyes on their hand while the real play unfolds. Shift the video, and the plot thickens in ways that tug at every hybrid shooter's heartstrings. Leaks swear by uncropped 4K at 60p, 10-bit 4:2:2 baked in S Log 3 and S Cinetone for that cinematic soul, plus 1080p at 120 for buttery slow-mo dreams. It nods at every wishlist item, a reliable co-pilot for the creators blending frames and footage like alchemists. Solid? Absolutely. But peer past the checklist and the go submerge. No 8K horizon, no open gate 7K playground. Zilch. They chalk it up to dodging the heat demon. Thermal limits that had choked the body mid-roll. After seasons of gripes, viral rants, and Sony's sound of memes, they're still wrestling the same fire. Rather than retool with smarter cooling, they just edit it out. No 8K, because the rig can't take the blaze. Their workaround? Smarter passive venting. Fancy talk for better breathing. And wait for it, a clip-on active cooling grip you by extra, dangling like a lifeline from the camera's underbelly. Spot the slight? They hand you the puzzle with a piece missing, then hawk the glue. It's a nod to rock-solid runs over spec-sheet fireworks, sure, but stacked against brands charging full tilt. It paints the A7V as a cautious cousin at the family reunion, reliable, yet ringing hollow. On the build front, Sony's tuned in with tweaks that feel like they listen to our late-night gripes. A 5.5 million at OLED EVF that pops sharper than the A7iV's 3.68 million setup. A 3-inch flip-out touchscreen juiced to 1.62 million dots for seamless framing. And magnesium shell that's tougher against dust and dings without bulking up the scales. These land like quiet victories, easing the daily grind for shooters who live in the field. Yet the gripes linger. Flash sync stays stuck in neutral. No built-in pop for off-camera magic. Event pros and wedding wizards, Sony's bread and butter crew, are already rumbling, and fair enough. To a talking head creator, it's trivia. To the folks wiring lights in a storm, it's a blind spot screaming. Are they even in the room with us? Is Sony's C-suite buried in data dashboards, or truly hearing the chorus from the trenches? But hold on, the real jaw-dropper, the thread that ties this frenzy tight, is the calendar. Lean in close. Credible whispers pin the A7V's big reveal between November 12th and 15th. Shadowing Canon splash like a ghost in the gallery, primed to hijack the chatter. Pre-orders? They'll flip the switch right after, while it's wide open for that $3,000 November windfall. The catch, the brutal twist? Hands-on reality won't grace doorsteps till January 2026, maybe stretching to February. Let that marinate. Hype in 25, hardware in 26, a gap wide as a missed deadline. Blame dances around chip crunches, sensor tweaks gone sideways, lens line snarls. The same script that ghosted past launches. Catastrophic? You bet. Canon? They'll unwrap our 6 Mark III bows under Christmas trees, arming reviewers with fresh footage. Side-by-sides that scorch feeds and bury Sony's IOUs in the scroll. PR vets are sounding alarms. This lag could sour the season, turning can't wait to what gives as the buzz sours to salt. Layer on the dollars, and the sting sharpens. Solo body? $2,999. A $200 hike from the A7IV's bow. For a steady hand that's late to the party? Oof! Bundle it with the 24 to 105 millimeters f/4G, and you're at $3,999. Sweetening the pot or the ploy, 3 fresh glass drops, a revamped 100 to 400 millimeters f/4G Master 2 for $2,800, a nimble 100 to 400 millimeters G at $2,200, and a wide-angle 16 to 28 millimeters f/2G Master matching that price tag. It's an ecosystem nudge, baiting pros to dive deeper. But this combo of tags and weights, it's banking on blind faith from the faithful, cash before critique, a flex that borders on hubris. And the kicker, the gut check finale, insiders are floating a $200 slash come early 2026, scripted before the curtain even rises. A pre-baked bailout. Time for the shipping blues to brew backlash. Decode that. It's Sony stealing for flack, scripting the sal before the sin. This isn't leader's poise. It's a fortress battening down. A titan admitting the throne wobbles. Not the Sony that once lit the mirrorless fuse. As leaked, the A7V gleams with polish. Autofocus that anticipates your every blink. Video that flows like silk. A frame that fits like an old glove. Yet it tiptoes where we hunger for leaps. A beefed-up A7 IV in spirit. More side-grade than supernova. In a scene where global shutters gleam and 8K beckons as baseline. It's a pivot to sure-footed strides. Hyperharmony, workflow whispers, UX that soothes. Corporate code for steady as she goes. Or if we're blunt, dodging the dare. This saga? It's Sony's crossroads etched in code and calendars. A bet on ballast over blaze in a market that's fiercer than ever. Will Reliable rally the dreamers who poured fortunes and faith into E-mount? The verdict's out. These coming weeks? Pure powder keg. Canon storms in, Nikon's lurking, Panasonic's priming. Leaks keep dripping like a faulty seal, but one truth cuts clear. The A7V isn't mere iteration. It's a mirror held to a giant, wrestling the wild dance of bold bets, fresh frontiers, and the fear of falling back in a race that's finally lapping them. So, soul search. Chase the discounted sure thing, or bet on the brand's breaking barriers. The mask is slipping, revealing nerves of steel or rust. Tread smart with your stack. Your shot at the stars. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.